Again, this is a very quick one about how to use a really cheap light, backlight on a Brompton. And normally you have to pay like loads of money for a Brompton light, and especially fit on. Well, actually you can use these, and I'll show you how. So here we are, here's a Brompton, a standard saddle. This one's a physics saddle, but I imagine the rest are the same. And you can see what I've done. I've put a cable tie here between these two whatever they're called. Okay, and the cable tie means I can take my cheap light with a clip on it, and I can just clip it on like that, and there we are, one light secured onto the back of a Brompton. And believe me, you can leave it on and it doesn't fall off. So there we are, done. And I've ridden miles and miles on trains, put the saddle up and down, it doesn't fall off, so it works. Hope that was helpful.